Hello, I'm Gemma, and today I'm going to tell you about the 100% human hair clip-on hair extensions from Hair for a Change. Firstly, I'm going to show you how easy they are to attach to your own hair, and also some of the different ways you can use them to create beautiful, stylish, ultra-modern looks from the comfort of your own home. The clip-on hair extensions from Hair for a Change are available in 12 classic colours. They come in packs of 8 and have 2 extra pieces to test any perm or colour treatments on. However, my favourite thing about the Hair for a Change hair extensions is how easy they are to put in. Let me show you. First, divide the hair at the required length and secure the top section. Always start at the bottom, about 1 inch from the hairline. Now insert the centre clip into the middle of the part, pushing in from the top down and closing the clip. Now you can insert the clips to the left and the right at the top of the part. Stop and check you haven't left any gaps, and then let your own hair fall back over the extension. To complete your look, continue the process further up the head. Once attached, think of your Hair for a Change hair extensions as part of your real hair, and style them as you wish. It may take a little time for you to learn to attach and style your hair extensions perfectly, but remember, Hair for a Change hair extensions are designed to be simple and easy to use. You don't have to be a professional, and the results are always amazing. For women of a more mature age, the Hair for a Change Real hair extensions give you so much volume, and also gives you the option of a colour change without having to bleach and damage your own hair. And remember, because they are real hair, a salon professional can cut, colour or perm your extensions to suit you. With Hair for a Change hair extensions, there's no such thing as a bad hair day. Permanent hair extensions are costly and high maintenance, but now you don't have to live in Hollywood to experience the confidence and versatility of real hair extensions. You should try them, you'll love them.